SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to change Personal Hotspot password on iPhone. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you would like to update the password for the Personal Hotspot on your iPhone, then you can do so by opening the Settings app. You can then select Personal Hotspot, and then you can just tap on the current Wi-Fi password. That's going to bring up this screen, so you can tap the X to the right of the current password to delete it, and then you can type in the new password. And once it's all done, then you can tap Done at the top right corner of the screen, and that'll take you back to the main Personal Hotspot password, where you'll see that it's been updated to what you just entered. So now to use the Personal Hotspot, you just need to tap the button to the right of Allow Others to Join, and then you'll be able to enter that password on another device or give it to someone else so that they can connect to the Personal Hotspot on your phone.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.